Do you know many people are having trouble with folding their strollers? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Prepare stroller. First, remove the child from the stroller and engage the brakes. Ensure front wheels are in swivel mode. Step 2. Adjust canopy. Close the canopy and adjust the leg rest to its lowest position for compact folding. Step 3. Set handle height. Raise the handle to its highest position to avoid contact with the wheels during folding. Step 4. Start folding. Pull up the folding levers and push the handle down to start folding the stroller. Step 5. Secure fold. Fold down completely until the frame locks securely in place. Ensure it is locked. Step 6. Lift carefully. To lift a non-detached seat stroller, be mindful of the increased weight. With these simple steps, your Steelcraft Strider stroller should now be folded securely. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Steelcraft users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.